Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Morning guys, welcome back to the Island family. It's your girl Maria and baby's over here with the chickens. Oh, how did you use them, babes? So babe's just cutting the wings off the chickens because they've been flying out of the hen thing, and then babe can explain a little bit more to you guys.
Yeah.
Here's babe, guys.
Yeah, so I'm just clipping the chicken wings, you know, so that way they can't fly out. So it's nothing, they can't feel anything in these parts, so just so you guys know, this is not animal cruelty. They can't feel a thing, alright? So I'm just clipping their wings like halfway, so that way they can't fly out. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing.
Have they hatched any eggs today, babe?
No, I haven't seen any.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, because otherwise they're making a big mess, you know, pooing everywhere.
And the neighbours are
Yeah.
like, kind of like a bit upset that they're kind of going into their backyard and shitting everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh god.
They're a bit unsettled.
Are you sure it doesn't hurt them, babe?
No, it doesn't.
It's alright.
Just because they're unsettled, they just want to go. Come on.
Are you sure it doesn't hurt them, babe?
No, it doesn't.
They're pretty big, these chickens, eh? Like they're fatting up big time from when we first got them, guys. So Bobo, our one and only Bobo, he's at school today, guys, and yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a bit of gardening, but I think we're going to wait to pick up Bobo, because Bobo really enjoys the outdoors, and we noticed that he likes to get his hands dirty in the dirt, so we're going to wait until he comes back home from school. We're going to pick him up, and I just noticed that my lemon tree is doing really well, guys. Lemons. Oh shit, bee. Oops.
What?
Bee. You know, I went to touch the flower and the bee kind of almost stung my finger. Anyways, yeah, so my lemon tree is doing really well, so really happy about that. There's a few little bad things eating it, but it's yeah, I'm new to this pruning and cutting back things. Like, I'm learning all these things as we go. Hey babe. Well, I am. You probably know more than me. But yeah. How many did you cut already?
That's what I think I did 2 or 3. All of them are wild.
Oh shoot.
Come here, settle down.
What's the life expectancy of the chickens?
I don't know, but all I can say is that the ones from back home, those lives for years, man, years. I remember having chickens from when I was living with my father until I even came out, past teenager stage, so
Okay.
you know, I know that they live for years. These, I'm not sure if it's the same.
Well,
Yeah, because they use these for laying eggs. Right? So I don't
and what
know.
about the ones in Jamaica?
They just run around free. We call them dongo or game.
And they're the ones you eat?
Not necessarily, but we'll eat the egg and yeah. I used to eat them though. When I was living with my father, I used to eat them, but they're harder to cook. Take hours, so trust me. Unless you have a pressure cooker.
Right.
Yeah.
Interesting info, guys. Very interesting. I didn't know. I thought chickens were all the same. Yep. Yeah, this is the country lifestyle. Big backyard. Ah! Babe, what are you doing? Don't! Oh my god, I thought he was like...
There you go. I just don't want them to fly outside, you know? So
they're so big. Aren't they big, guys?
Yeah, big now.
Oh, that's hurting that.
Yeah. You good?
Thought you were gonna throw him at me. He's trying to pull a prank on me, guys.
So who's going next?
Who is going next? You. Let's clip your wings. Watch, babes. Sorry, you won't be able to fly anymore.
See, the only time they feel pain unless you pull them out, but when you cut them,
I don't know, it just seems to me like they're in pain.
they're just trying to get away from me, that's all.
So what are those hard things, and aren't they bones
Where?
on the wings?
Oh, it's just a part of the feather. But if you pull these out, you see blood come out on them.
Oh,
Yeah.
no
But
way.
it's a natural part of them. They shed feather and grow back feather. So, yeah. That's it. Good to go. I think that's all of them.
Do they eat chicken? Do chickens eat chicken?
I believe they do. Yep. Chickens eat some things that you'd never think of. Never even imagine.
We're missing Bobo, guys, because Bobo is like, you know, always running around. And this is a banana tree, so it's growing really nicely. This one's not doing too well because it was cut differently actually when they took it out of the other mother tree, I should say. So when Bobo comes home, we're going to plant this one that everyone's been telling me that this plant's in Jamaica. So I'm going to plant that into a pot plant separately. This is parsley, guys. Our chili tree. Just need refreshing the soil up. And then we have our tomato tree, which we need a little bit something better to hold it up. I might plant that in somewhere differently. And then we've got mint here. Mint tree. I got so much mint, like literally so much. Then a client of mine gave me some lettuce, so that's growing really good. Thyme, I'm going to plant that in today. It's looking a little bit dry. And our capsicum too. Something's trying to eat it at the moment.
Bugs start taking over.
Little bugs. Scallion and our little tomato that needs to be planted again. So yeah, guys, we're gonna wait for Bobo to come home. Look at all my mints, guys. So much mint. This is different mint though. It's smell that one. That's different, that mint, and then smell this one.
Yeah,
it's different, no? This one's more peppermint.
Yeah, I like it more.
I like this one more. That one's not that great. Yeah, guys, so then we've got this little tree that is going to go into the pot plants as well that I've got hanging around. And yeah, do a little bit of rearranging here in the garden. Then, anyways, this is what I wanted to show you guys, our new ride-on mower. Well, second-hand new. Babe cut the grass with this yesterday at the back, so all we need is a whippersnipper, which you guys would, for all the Jamaicans out there, you guys would know it as a weed whacker. So yeah, and this is my little outdoor side table that I bought not long ago, so we can't wait for summer so we can come out here and chill.
Yeah, and it's getting warm now, so it's a good thing. I've been wanting the warmness, and it's probably gonna get more than warm, like really hot.
It's gonna get really hot. So happy days to us, and beach days.
True.
Lots of beach days. Can't wait. Hey guys, so stay tuned till we pick up Bobo and we're gonna do some gardening.
Yeah, man.
Welcome back to the Island family, guys. Check out Babe, he's cutting the grass with Island. Island! He's wearing my hat, guys. I better go grab my basket. These guys are ready to come out. Yeah, I want to cut them now. So alright guys, so now I'm going to cut this down. Person. So guys, I'm just going to cut some of this time for harvest. Nice salads. Yeah. You just leave the roots, guys, and hopefully it'll grow back. Come, Bobo. Come on the camera. Help Mummy. You're going to help Mum. Come. Come. And so guys, we're going to put the dirt in here. I don't know exactly what I'm going to plant in it yet, guys, but Island yucky. Where's your gloves? I got gloves for you.
Wagwan. You don't know this is provider, you see me? This morning me and babes there up on a little garden, you see me? So yeah, from the last video you guys saw, we got these what you call these again, babe? These? Like pots?
Veggie pots.
Yeah.
Pots.
Yeah, so just gonna do a little bit of gardening. The sun is up, it's pretty hot. But yeah, we still have to do it.
So guys, Arlen wants to be part of the scene. Part of everything. Get your hands out of your mouth. Yucky.
Mommy.
Alright, now Dad's going to show you how he does it. And then you're going to put your hands in there. What are you doing? Alright, go. Go, Dad. Go, Dad. Look, Daddy's going to hand you the plant. Go over there. Go.
So this is some kind of flower.
Yeah, I don't know, babe. Apparently you've got those in Jamaica. Look, Island.
Looks
Look.
good though.
Gonna help show Dad. Look. Bring it over here. Hey guys. Your head's about to blow up. So Island's been a little bit sick these days. Island, look, help Dad. Here. Babe, let him help you, honey.
Yeah. Come, Bubba.
Mommy.
Oh, you got your gloves on? Here. Look. Show
Come.
Dad.
Come, hold it.
Hold it.
She gonna do it? Come. Show it her. No.
Not there.
Show
Island,
her.
you have to put on the plant. You have to make the plant in there. Only one will fit.
Can put that on.
You can put the other one. Okay, Island, go back to Dada.
Come.
Come on. Go to
Bubba.
Dad.
Another one here.
And there's the other one, and there's another one there. I just realised.
Yeah, that one broke. It broke up.
Do they grow? So guys, comment down below in the comment section if they grow flowers, these plants, or do they use it for food, or what is it? I don't know, babe. Do you know?
I think it's just a flower, but it actually looks good.
It looks nice in that pot.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, guys. So there you have it. A little bit of gardening on a Sunday morning.
Everyone gonna be like, "Where is your gloves?"
Oh well, yard style.
So we have the scallion here, or otherwise known as spring onion. Yeah, so I always struggle with getting these things out. Ah, there we go.
Oh, that was easy. Some of them are hard to get out.
Yeah, so
Just gonna plant that one there next to the chili.
it's a little garden, you know. Just work with what we have. I don't want to put all of it in one place. So. Sort of like locked together.
Oh. You see his hat, guys, he won at Nimbin.
Yeah. Is it a hemp? Hemp?
Hemp hat, yeah. Which is style be drip band of another There you
Still
go,
thinking
guys.
if-
Provider doing his thing.
We don't have much space, so we can't really spread them out as much. You know, so.
You can smell the onion
Yeah.
already. Smells good. You don't want to plant it too deep.
No, it's good.
Okay, hopefully you catch.
It's good.
Alright, there you have it, guys. What are they again, babe? Sorry, these are peppers coming up.
Yeah, pepper.
Nice. Are they hot peppers?
If I'm correct, I believe they are, and also sweet pepper, because I just did put a bunch of pepper in there. And
because we do have pepper in the house, that's seedlings.
yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to check here.
We should get a mango tree. But then you have to cover it because the black bats, the fruit bats, eat them.
So you could get yeast in there, and that would be the tree. You know what I mean? Because we're already used to the Australian mango now, so the yard mango, I need it, so that just work wonders. When the Australian taste that, they'll be like, what, mate? This I've been missing out on my whole life?
Mm-hmm. That's right.
Yo. And here we have the sweet pepper, or otherwise called capsicum. Capsicum. What a name.
Alright guys, it's my turn now. These ones, oh that was easy. Here we go.
Is it all too small? Alright, dig it a bit bigger. Yeah.
This one's wet.
We got lots of rain recently, guys. We're worried about this more than anything else. Because we know what happened in recent times. And we saw that tropical storm apparently
Island, stop your
shifted.
complaining, man. You don't want to help mommy and daddy. Sorry guys, just Island's being really fussy. Alright.
Nice.
That.
Yeah.
And that. Anyways, don't worry about me, I'm in dancehall vibe right now. That's it.
I think I'm gonna plant the thyme here. Yeah.
Good boy. Alright guys, so babe's gonna plant now what?
The thyme. You know what is Jamaicans without thyme? You can put it another way, Jamaican don't know time. Caribbean people don't know time. Yeah.
They only know time.
We only consume time, but we don't use time. What should I put it? What's the best way to put it?
Anyway, you guys comment down below what he means. What he's trying to say.
We only use time. We
can't do it with gloves, huh? Wait, he had his gloves on, guys, and he can't do it with gloves.
I swear, it just feels so uncomfortable.
You gotta plant those. They're ready for plant.
Yeah.
That's 4 seedlings, no? Like 4 different pods.
Yeah.
Like I said, guys, Island's been unwell the last few days with really high temperatures. Obviously, you know, he's picked up something from daycare, so he's just been really fussy. Bobo! Bobo! Look! Bobo! He's a lot better now. He's just got a bit of a fever happening, but at the moment, it's going away. Yep. They're nice, those thyme punnets. Is that what you call them, punnets? Thyme punnets. Punnets that come in those black containers things.
Oh, okay.
It's getting hot now, hey babes?
Yeah. Winter is over, no more crying about winter. Now it's time to cry about summer that's coming up. So we're still in spring, right?
We're in spring, yeah.
Yeah. And when I arrived there, I arrived in spring.
In spring.
Yeah, so.
But we had a very wet summer.
Yeah.
Not very hot at all.
can consume some of what we produce, you know, and spend less
That's right.
on seasonings and them like a thing. Yeah.
That's right.
What is this now?
Oregano. Oregano, this is, you put this in pasta,
Oh.
sauces. Very, very good. Alright, you're going to have a bath now, Bobo. There you have it. Thyme, oregano, lettuce, tomato, mint, parsley, chilies. Look at our chilies. Chilies, green chilies. Yeah, man. And that scallion, green onion, whatever you call it. We have capsicum here, peppers, and tomatoes. Woohoo! Hey, baby! Can't wait. We've got pumpkin seedlings too, but we'll leave that for the next one.
We got the sorrel same way now. So.
Oh yeah, we did too. The sorrel. We have
we
to.
get all of them ready up.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Hopefully the sorrel and all that will come, because that would be exciting.
Yep. Next one, guys.
Island, come on.
Yeah, we gotta watch this boy.
Yeah, we'll root out everything.
Guys, I also wanted to just show you my little money tree here. Lucky tree, let's say. It's doing well. It's got a few little burnt branches only because of the summer. I mean, well, it's starting to get hot now, but my little boy, it's rooting. It's getting another one there. So, hey, happy days. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, man. Thank you
Island
very much.
Tribe. Big up yourselves, man.
Appreciate the support, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Alright, mate. Yeah, man.
Go.
Wagwan, wagwan. You don't know it's yet. Oh, okay. No, Island boy. Good morning, all my mates around the world. Australia from Jamaica to here. Cut.